Alrighty folks, I told y'all that I would make a video of the final, which will be the actual final video. I know I said on part 3 I wasn't going to make any more videos pertaining to this bike and this build, but I did want to make a video for the initial startup. Up to that point, I told everybody I would bring you along, so here we go. I'm going to attempt to start this bike. Now before I do this, the battery on the bike, fortunately, is one of, I don't know if it's going to have enough energy, enough voltage to start the bike. I hope. We'll see. Cross our fingers. I can't let it run long. It's a little low on oil, so I'm just going to kind of crank it up, let you hear it run, and we'll cut it off because, like I said, it is a little low on oil. I'm trying to get the proper amount of oil in it. I don't want to run it for very long. So, that being said, let's see what we get. That's it. She runs. I expected it to take a little bit because it's first startup. Whew. Racing fuel. Love it. That's it, guys. It runs. Job complete almost, except for putting the plastics on the seat. But with that, thank y'all for tagging along. Alrighty. We'll see y'all on the next one.